How to negotiate with a brand. Hi there. We all know that it's a tiring process to deal and seal crack your next brand campaign. From a lot of understanding, collaboration, paperwork, deadlines to what not. From our product will give you an exposure to we cannot afford you journey. This is something that requires a lot of efforts and energy. Negotiation is not just important, but apart from important, it's a tricky from all the different stages of influencer marketing journey. Hi guys, this is Pooja here. I'm a co-founder of Spread, an edtech platform. Welcome to our fourth episode from the series called Influencer Marketing Journey 101. In today's video, we are going to discuss how you can negotiate while collaborating with brand. What are the major points and things that you should focus on while dealing with it? Let's check out. Let's take an example. You put yourself out there, your content from the best of your creativity and hard work. Brand will recognize you, they will approach you to promote their brand, product or services. You will understand brand, see their journey, recent collaboration, and if things looks good, you will say yes to them and you will sign off the deal. Then it comes to deliverables part of dealing with what will be going out from your account for that particular brand as a collaboration. Here comes the negotiation part where you need to focus on certain things while dealing and cracking the deal. The first point is industry itself. You need to see that what industry that particular brand belongs. What are the recent collaboration has been done, what are the success ratio, how the audience is responding to the collaboration and engagement, how the brands are working with different other influencers and overall marketing trends around the similar industry. You need to do a good research about industry and know that your audience, brand audience and overall journey is aligned with the expected goals and KPIs. So this is very important to know industry. Second point is brand in question. Now you've understood the industry type that brand belongs. Now it's time to study and research about brand. There are a lot of things that goes behind. Understand brand values, the product line, their motto behind delivering the product, what problem they are solving, what are their values and moral things that you should focus on. Understand the storytelling. It will help you to structure your content as well as it will make them feel special that you have researched and it will make you stand out from others. Also, it will help you to negotiate with them. Brands have their own story, their values, their specific product, any iconic movement, recent success, milestones that they have achieved, and a lot of things to study about. So make sure that you are studying and researching well before dealing with any brand collaboration. Third thing is your profile performance. Now we are talking about you, your work, your values and your performance. What makes your content more likable, reachable and shareable? Why brands should choose you? Make sure that you are focusing on your KPIs, understanding your analysis and social media metrics. You are showing them why they should choose you. Study your past performances, your successful campaigns. Understand that what made you different, how you are dealing with content creation, promoting it, how connected you are with your audience and what are the things that make you stand out from the crowd. There are a lot of KPIs that you can focus on are total engagement ratio, total followers graph, your influencer journey, likes, share, comments and lot of metrics. If you want to use Spread offers an analysis tool just in one click. You can share all your journey and successful milestone to the brand in just one click. You can check more on spread.io. But the point is, main focus is your numbers, your data and your milestones. Show them your achievement, your success stories and focus on data and metrics. That's it for today's guide. Hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful. In our next video, we shall be talking about pricing agreements and how you can set up a right chord with brands. Till then, take care. Follow Spread for more marketing technical updates, influencer marketing tools and tips and tricks. Take care.